How can I connect my Samsung tablet to a projector?
Hello everyone. Today, we're going to walk you through the process of connecting your Samsung tablet to a projector. This can be very useful for presentations, sharing videos, or playing games on a bigger screen. Let's get started.
What do you need?
To connect your Samsung tablet to a projector, you will need 1. Your Samsung tablet. Make sure it's charged and ready to go. 2. A projector. Ensure it's plugged in and functioning properly. 3. An HDMI cable. This is the cable you'll use to connect the two devices. 4. A Samsung HDMI adapter. Since Samsung tablets don't have an HDMI port, you'll need an adapter that connects to your tablet's USB-C or micro USB port and provides an HDMI output.
How to connect your Samsung tablet to a projector?
Step 1. Connect the adapter firstly. Plug the Samsung HDMI adapter into the USB-C or micro USB port on your Samsung tablet. Step 2. Connect the HDMI cable next. Take your HDMI cable and connect one end to the HDMI output on your adapter. Step 3. Connect to the projector now. Take the other end of your HDMI cable and connect it to the HDMI input on your projector. Step 4. Set up the projector. Turn on your projector and use the remote control or buttons on the projector to switch the input source to the HDMI port you've connected to. Step 5. Mirror your tablet screen. Finally, on your Samsung tablet, navigate to Settings, Display, Screen Mirroring. Toggle on the screen mirroring function, and your tablet screen should now be displayed on the projector. And there you have it. That's how you can connect your Samsung tablet to a projector. We hope this guide was easy to follow and helpful for you. Now, you're all set to share your tablet's display on the big screen. Enjoy your presentation or movie night.